G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing the unboxing of the Umidigi A3 Pro. Firstly, big shout out to Umidigi for sending me out this review unit to review Umidigi. The A3 Pro is one of their more budget range options, so this is probably competing with the Huawei Y7 Pro. CPU is an MT6739 quad core. Has running Android 8.1 Oreo, has 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, dual nano SIM, 3300 mAh battery. Back camera is 12 plus 5 megapixel cameras, and the front is an 8 megapixel shooter. But it's different. Here is the device. You know, something I always want. A phone with a case on it installed, and there we have it, a case. I mean, I just spent $550 on the Nokia 8.1, no case. Anyway, I'm going to power this on, put it over there. USB charging brick. This is a 5-volt charging brick, charging cable, warranty information and all that sort of thing, blah, blah, blah. So let's have a look. We'll peel this off. It looks like we've got a full charge of battery in it. Running Android 8.1, I believe it's pretty stock. So let's just, before we set it up, this is your space grey color. And now that is a really nice looking device. Nice looking space grey. Nice aluminium edges on it, I believe. That's a nice good size. Nice colours. I mean, that looks pretty good. Now, just while that's connecting, you've got your micro USB on the bottom here. Here's your micro USB cable. Headphone jack, speakers. SIM card tray on the left hand side. Power, volume up and down on the right hand side. On the top you've got your antenna bands. You know what actually feels good? This actually feels good is the weight in it and the size. Phones are too big these days. In my opinion, phones are too big. I want a smaller device. I want something that's easy to handle. I want to be able to keep it in my pocket with relative comfort. I will be back in 3 seconds with a fully set up phone. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so here we go folks. We have it all set up. It's currently downloading all my applications. Just have a quick look at the software. So again, this is Android 8.1. We'll go in and have a look. October 5th, 2018 security patch update. Now, let's check out the camera just quickly. Now, something I like then, have to see if you can see that. Just watch how quick the shutter is. That's half the battle with these camera phones. If you can get a quick shutter, there's half your frustration gone. And look, in good light, with a still image, you're getting a fairly good little pic. And like I said, just getting that quick shutter is half the battle. So there's another image there. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm not too fussed with it. I like what I see. Now you do have a notch up the top there. And we'll just try out the front-facing camera. Again, a fast shutter. Not too bad of an image. That's an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. Swipe to the left, you've got your Google homepage. So everything is pretty much stock Android. So I'm really liking that. I mean, I'm going to go and set all this up and we'll see how smooth it is once it's all set up. I'm not expecting huge things from it, but already you can see that you're pretty much getting your money's worth. So just quickly unlocking, it does the job. So that's pretty much it guys. Tell me, what do you think about the Umidigi A3 Pro? Hit the like button and the subscribe button if you want to stick around and see what the rest of the review is going to reveal for us about this phone. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll be back soon with another video, and I appreciate you stopping by. I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.